Hi guys, this is Mom West Prada and we are at Who's Next 2024 Influencers Award, and I have with me two of my favorite content creators in the parenting category. I feel so blessed to be standing here with both of you. How are you feeling, my winners?
Very excited and happy and grateful.
Amazing, amazing.
I love that excitement. I feel it. I got it last year. I know the feeling. This trophy is everything. Okay, so my first question on the Fast Five with them is, if not a content creator, then?
I would love to help parents. That's what I want to do.
तूने यही करना था मतलब?
मैंने यही करना था.
Just a mother. I think I love my motherhood journey. Just a mother.
How beautiful is that? Your favorite content creators, not in parenting, otherwise.
I love Ranveer Alabadia.
Same. Ranveer Alabadia. Oh my God. Same.
He has a fan following here. Okay. So, what do you guys scroll most on social media?
What do I scroll most?
Fun, comedy, food, fashion.
I think comedy. Comedy it is because it makes you feel lighter, and you want to feel light. You want to feel happy when you watch something.
This mother wants to feel light, and you,
Fashion.
that little girl inside talking. Do you believe in manifestation?
Yes.
Something happened?
I believe more in aligning my frequency so that I can manifest what I want.
How beautiful. And you?
Absolutely. Whatever I am today, it's only because of my manifestation. So if you ask me how, so I was 17 years old when I promised my mother that one day I will buy a long black car. I promise, I said this to my mom. And at that time, we were from a middle class family. And at the age of 32, after 15 years, I finally purchased that long black car. And it's only because of manifestation. मुझे बिल्कुल idea नहीं था मैं कब करूँगी, कैसे करूँगी, Mercedes कैसे खरीदूँगी. But finally, when I said, "Mama, मैं ले रही हूँ," Mama बोली, "सच में? I don't believe this. My little girl, और सच में वो तो ले रही है."
How beautiful.
और उन्हें वो प्रॉमिस याद था जो मैंने उन्हें किया था at the age of 17. So I truly believe in manifestation.
मैं बस चाहते ही अब कल अपनी मम्मी को ये बोलने वाली हूँ.
लेकिन I want to congratulate you for achieving that. It must be such a
Proud
proud feeling.
of parents.
And manifestation से मुझे आपकी बात सुन के याद आया. I was always a daydreamer. तो मेरी मम्मा हमेशा मुझे कहती थी, क्लास में भी टीचर्स कहती थी कि ये ना सपने देखती रहती है, कुछ ना कुछ सोचती रहती है. और मैं सच में विजुअलाइज करती रहती थी, ये हुआ, मैंने ये कर लिया. तो मम्मा मुझे कहती थी, इस शेख चिल्ली के सपने ही नहीं खत्म होते. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कहीं ना कहीं मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मैं विजुअलाइजेशन से ही शायद मैनिफेस्टेशन कर रही थी.
Imagine that how life is, and I want to have my last question with you girls because हम बॉम्बे नगरी में हैं. तो अगर किसी बॉलीवुड हीरो के साथ डिनर करने का प्लान बन जाए तो वो कौन होगा?
शाहरुख खान. अरे मैं कितनी बार मन्नत के बाहर बैठ के उसका घर देखती रहती हूँ कि इस बंदे ने क्या किया है ये अचीव करने के लिए. अमेजिंग. इतनी इलेक्ट्रीफाइंग है उसकी एनर्जी. आई जस्ट लव शाहरुख खान. आई जस्ट लव यू.
I love you too, Shahrukh. If you're listening, I love you too. And you?
I think I would love to go with Kartik Aaryan. He's here. Maybe he's listening. Maybe I'll manifest that. But I just love his energy. Did you see that energy that he got
On the stage.
And from where he began, we have seen his journey.
Such a humble
it's
guy.
So motivating.
Such a humble guy.
Yeah.
Such a humble
So I'll choose him.
Thank you guys. I'm sure you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it. Your girl signing off. Bye bye.